Gauth AI Study Companion, like many AI-powered tools, raises important privacy and data concerns. While it offers personalized learning experiences, it also collects and processes user data, which requires careful consideration. To handle these concerns, start by understanding what data Gauth collects. This could include personal information like your name and email, as well as learning progress data such as quiz scores and study habits. It might even collect the content of your interaction with the AI itself. Read its privacy policy to understand their data practices. Next, minimize the amount of sensitive personal information you share. If possible, use a pseudonym or an anonymized account to limit the amount of personal data you provide. If Gauth offers privacy settings, adjust them to limit data collection and sharing. For example, you might be able to opt out of data sharing for targeted advertising or disable the collection of your learning history. Always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember, while Goth likely has security measures in place, data breaches are always a possibility. Be mindful of the potential risks and consider limiting the amount of sensitive information you share. Lastly, if you're uncomfortable with Goth's data practices, explore alternative AI study companions that prioritize privacy or offer more control over data collection. Being informed about data privacy and taking proactive steps to protect your information is important when using AI powered tools. Prioritize your privacy and choose tools that align with your comfort level.